Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to link Google Ads to Analytics dashboard. Okay, so you must track campaigns in terms of costs and conversions if you truly want to expand your company and maximize your advertising. Additionally, you should be aware of what site visitors are doing after clicking on your advertisement. Linking your Google Analytics and Google Ads account will allow you to track the success of your marketing campaigns. You get to observe the entire client experience from how people respond to your advertisements to whether they achieve the campaign's objective. To start, go to the settings, click admin, and click Google Ad Links. You have to click this one. And then as you can see, I haven't connected or linked any Google Ads here. So all you have to do is to click link. Now you have to tap this choose Google Ads accounts. When you tap this one, you can see the list of your Google accounts. So for example, I want to link my Google Ads virtual services to my Google Analytics. So all I have to do is to click this one. Okay, you have to tap this square here. And then after that, you need to go back and answer some questions here or configure settings in order to proceed. So you have to enable this one. This should be turned on or toggled on. And then after that, you have to tap this next again. Always remember to read this first before you proceed so that everything is okay or you understood everything here. Okay, so we have your enable personalized advertising, enable auto tagging, allow access to analytics features from within Google Ads. So if everything is okay with you, you can tap next. So Google Analytics will let you review everything, all the information here. And then once you're sure, all you have to do is to tap submit. Okay, so then after that, congrats, your accounts are now linked. That's how easy it is to link Google Ads to Analytics dashboard. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.